What is an LMS, or Learning Management System? If you've ever taken an online course, done workplace training on your computer, or logged into a portal for tutorials, chances are you've already used a learning management system, or LMS for short. So what exactly is it? At its core, an LMS is a software platform that stores, delivers, and tracks learning materials all in one place. You can think of it as a virtual classroom that not only hosts the lessons, but also keeps perfect records of your progress and performance. Behind the scenes, instructors, HR teams, or administrators can upload courses, assign them to learners, and check detailed progress reports. On the other side, students or employees log in, take courses, watch videos, complete quizzes, and track how they're doing. It's a system designed to work both ways, and whether you're in school, at work, or just learning a new skill online, an LMS makes it possible to learn from anywhere. These platforms are used in all kinds of settings. Schools and universities rely on them to deliver online or blended learning. Businesses use them for employee training, compliance, and onboarding. Professional organizations often deliver certifications and continuing education through them. And if you've ever bought an online course from an individual creator, there's a good chance it was hosted on an LMS too. Most systems share a familiar set of features. You'll usually find course management tools to upload and organize lessons, user management to enroll and group learners, and reporting to track progress. Many also include built-in quizzes and assessments, certificates of completion, and mobile access so people can learn anytime, anywhere. The appeal is clear. For organizations, an LMS saves time, ensures consistent training across the board, and makes compliance reporting much easier. For learners, it means flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, at your own convenience, whether you're at your desk, on a tablet, or even on your phone during a commute. Some popular examples you might recognize include Moodle and Canvas in the education space. In the business world, there are platforms like Talent LMS, Docebo, Microsoft Viva Learning, and Bigger Brains, which is especially known for its engaging, video-based business and technology training. So the big takeaway is this: a learning management system is the hub for online learning and training. It's where courses live and where learners go to complete them. If you've ever taken a course online, you've probably used one, even if you didn't realize it at the time. To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos.